The other words you're only going to see once, so that's a lot tougher. Okay, so here we go. Pen. Just stay quiet. Love. Toast. Stay. Basket. Pain. Restaurant. Ask. Notebook. Find. Table. Went. Teacher. Hungry. No. Dog. Okay. Okay, time's up. Now, the reason that I know that time is up is because I look around and what do I see? Yeah, nobody's moving. That's how I know. I look around and all of you just a minute ago, and you didn't know you did this, you fulfill one of my greatest dreams as a teacher. So isn't that nice? And that is, as soon as I said okay, you moved faster than I've ever seen anybody move, and you started writing, and you were doing it like this, really fast, and I looked around and knowledge was just flowing out of you. That's like a teacher's greatest dream. But the problem is that lasts for no more than about 30 seconds, and then people are starting to slow down, the frown is coming out, and after about 1 minute, I look around and almost everybody is basically done. Whatever you could remember is there, and whatever you lost is gone forever. Okay? If you did this, don't get embarrassed because I see this all the time. I saw several of you do this. I'm looking around thinking, are we done? And I see some people doing this. And when you're counting the number of words, that basically means you're waving the white flag like I'm done and I'm hoping my list isn't too embarrassingly small. Well, if you remembered a lot, that's great. If you remembered only a little, that's okay. But what we're going to do to try to sort of apply this to you in school is I'm going to correct this with you. And I want you to look at your list of words, no matter how short or long it was. And here's what we're going to do. I'm going to read a list of some of the words that I showed you on those cards. And every one of these words that I say, if you look and you see it on the list, meaning you remembered it, I want you to put the number 1 next to it. If you didn't remember it, if it's not there, don't write it now, right? Too late, you had your chance before. So the first one is pen. So if you remembered that, put a 1. If not, don't do anything. Next one is love. Toast. And again, these are 1s. Stay. Teacher. Hungry. No. And dog. Okay, so those are the 1s, and I'll tell you what that means in a minute. I'm going to go back over another list of other words I showed you as part of the exercise, and any of these that you have on your paper, go ahead and put a 2 next to it. All right, so the first one is basket. So if you remember that, 2. If not, nothing. Pain. Restaurant. Ask. Notebook. And again, these are 2s. Find, table, and went. Okay? Now,